How long does it take to settle a car accident case in Massachusetts? Good afternoon. I'm Neil Burns. I'm an attorney. I practice here in Boston in my office at 6 Beacon Street, and along with my partner, Roshan Jain, we represent victims of personal injury and legal malpractice. I've been asked today to talk a little bit about how long it takes to settle an accident case, and it takes a little while, and it takes some patience. In the meantime, you need to get your attorney to line things up for you to settle that case. So the PIP form, the personal injury protection form, that needs to go into your insurance company, or in the case of a pedestrian case, the insurance company of the vehicle that hit you, or your bicycle. And that starts the process off. That's $8,000 of no-fault coverage. Next, you need to line things up with the liability company, the company that's responsible for paying ultimately. And you need to set up a claim. You need to find out the policy limits. You need to get them the initial medical so they have an understanding. Is this a case where you may be injured? Or is this a case where you broke a leg or are hospitalized for a period of time? They need to have a general sense of it. That doesn't mean you give them everything. It doesn't mean you give them a statement at the outset. But it does mean you set things up and cooperate with them to work with them towards getting some type of resolution. Once you finish treatment, or once it's determined that you will have a permanent injury, some type of permanent damages, such as, again, a broken leg in which you can never walk the way you'd walk before, and we can have a permanency report by a doctor, then we can get everything to the insurance company and work towards a settlement. How long does that take? For example, for a scar, they tend to want a year to see if it's really going to be a scar. On the other hand, certain scarring, everyone knows is going to last, and we don't have to wait a year. So every case is different. There's some rules of thumb that the insurance companies go by and that we go by, but don't go by what your neighbor said or something you read on the internet, because again, every case is different, every insurance company is different, and the most important thing is to work with your lawyer moving towards a resolution or settlement. You're working with your doctor to get better, you're working with your lawyer to get some type of resolution or settlement. So if you've been injured and you want some help getting resolution settlement, call Burns & Jain. We've been doing this since 1985. We have a lot of experience, we're aggressive, we're effective. Give us a call. It's a free consultation, 617-227-7423. Thank you.